Illegal border crossings pose significant unforeseen dangers for migrants, especially when they place their trust in human smugglers who often prioritize evasion over safety. On April 20th, 2024, a chaotic high-speed pursuit unfolded in Webb County.
Everybody's in a black Chevy Tahoe.
It's gonna be a green color, green color.
How's your top out? Doors opening up. We got one.
We have a second.
Approaching Park Street. We're at the intersection of Park Street, Santa Maria. November 536, are you requesting EMS?
During the pursuit, the smuggler slowed down, causing one of the illegal immigrants to sustain head injuries. Troopers were able to take one individual into custody and referred them to U.S. Border Patrol. Troopers watched as the smuggler swam across the river, successfully evading capture by reaching the Mexican side. Thank you for watching. For more incidents of law enforcement safeguarding our border towns, click on any of the videos that appear on your screen.